Hello YouTube, this is Rarity PM again, and I've got another exciting video. I hope that you watch it. I'm here to talk to you about constitutional silver today. Hello YouTubians, it's Rarity PM, and I've got Joann with me, who is my favorite collector from the Philippines here in Gutter. And what do you got there today? Whoa, that's a lot of silver, huh? That's nice. So you got some bullion and you got some actual coins from Australia and the United States. Diba?
Yes.
Okay, cool. And you got some new stuff too.
Yeah, new stuff for the new dates.
For the children to learn how to collect, diba?
Yeah, for the educations.
That's nice. One from every world, one country. So what else do you have?
I have also some.
Wow. Shiny. Somebody has to have their asawa not clean coins, diba? Sheikh, that's a King Farouk. Those are really pretty coins. Wow, some 50-cent walking liberties.
Oh, this is stuff.
Very nice. So you have the ability to find a whole lot of Philippines coins, Commonwealth coins for me, right?
Yeah, sure.
You're on the hunt, right?
Philippines, I will hunt all the coins.
Sige. Okay. Salamat po, kuya.
This is my
Wait,
brother.
that's your brother. He's the model. Wow, ABS-CBN star. Whoa.
Yeah, Drew.
But he has no coins though. Okay. Salamat po. Ingat. Okay, so I've got a lot of pickups as you can see, but I'm not going to have time to show them all today because my battery is dying. So I had to save the Romans and the Arab coins and the Saudi silver and gold till later. But I want to talk to you about this stuff I got from Joe, my friend from the Philippines. So I got a bunch of constitutional silver. You see these mirks? They're beautiful, right? And a couple rosies and a couple barber dimes as well. So I got all these, plus some more mirks. And then some Australian silver, and a couple rounds here as well. And then I've also got some more Canadian round silver, basically 10 centers for the most part, the equivalent in the United States. I also got this really cool Greek coin, very cool imprint. And then we got a King Farouk. That's awfully nice, right? Very happy to get these. And then almost a mint state quarter, 9% silver. Then we got a couple 40% silver JFKs. Thank you very much. Some walking liberties as well, 4 of them. So that's all I got this time. I'll be showing you all the rest of this later, but I wanted to show you all this constitutional silver I was able to pick up this time. So thank you for watching. So please like and subscribe and share this with everybody so that I can keep giving you more videos. There will be a contest coming up very soon between Miss Tiger Stackers and Tiago da Silva from Space for Coins and I. We will be doing a great contest, so be looking for. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and share this with everybody. Thank you.